Hi and welcome to SensorDB quick video tutorials. My name is Ali Saleh. In this video I would like to show you how to use the Data Explorer page of SensorDB. In order to reach Data Explorer page, you just have to click on one of the users in the system, say example 1. This is a Data Explorer page. What you see here is a set of is information about all the experiments that are owned by user, and all the nodes and streams of those experiments. What is important to note here is that if a node doesn't have a stream attached to it, you cannot see it in this page. So it is important, if you want to have your nodes visible, to make sure that they have a stream attached to them. So what can you do in this page? One of the key functions is the filtering. So basically there's a filter, two types of filters built here. A source filter, which is basically filters the experiments or the data shown that on this page based on their name, based on the name information. So say I want to see all the nodes in the system which have node 3. Of course, in this experiment, which is limited, so there's just only one node 3, and that has two streams attached to it. But if you have multiple experiments here, then it searches across all those experiments. Then I want to see any measurement that is measuring any stream that is measuring relative humidity, but there is none. How about Celsius? All of these are actually measuring Celsius. So the other part of the Explorer page is basically the metadata filter. As you know, you can attach metadata to experiments, nodes, and streams, and the metadata filter helps you to filter the results shown in this page based on the values attached to those metadata fields. So if you click here, you see all the metadata values. Key is defined in this by this user and used by this user. So basically, it's a set of metadata, so say location. If you click on it, you can see all the values defined by it. In this case, there's only one value, Australia. And interesting, there's nothing actually shown here because this belongs to private experiments. So let's go back and try another one. Say altitude, say 300. So then I can see here all the experiments that has nodes or streams, or experiments themselves have a metadata altitude with the value 300. To confirm that if I open, say, node 3, then I can see all the metadata attached to it, and I can see altitude here. And that's why it is listed in this page. The other thing that you can have here is basically real-time statistics. So this statistics is built when the data item arrives to the system. So basically stream 1 belonging to node 3 of experiment Ginadero has 190 data points stored in it. So if I click on it, then I should be able to see a plot of those 190 data points. Back to the previous page, then it has the minimum value is 0, the maximum value of those data points is 0.999, and the average is 0.513. This is standard deviation. When was the last value received by the system? Timestamp of the last value in the system, and the value of the very last item received by the system. So this is all about the experiment. This is all you can see in the Explorer page. Thanks for watching.